Today we're going to see how to change engine air filter on a second generation Ford Fusion, and it's fairly simple in this car. Step number 1, open the hood. Step number 2, unlock the hood, and it's all the way over here. You should see a yellow tab right there, and pull it that way to the left. Should be able to open right up. And step 3, secure the hood, and that's secure. Now the engine air filter is directly inside this box. Pretty simple. You just have to undo 2 clips. 1, pull, 2, pull. 2 clips out. This side don't have clips, they have hinges that go into those little clamps. So all you have to do is pull this up a little and pull forward. Pull it up and pull forward. You should be able to take the lid right off. And this is a new air filter, so it doesn't look so filthy. But normally it will look a little dirty on the inside, not on the outside. This is reversible. In other words, you can put it this way or you can put it this way. And it is also a good idea to write down when you actually changed it. That way, when you come back and wonder if you should be changing after a couple of years, you will know when you actually did that. So I'll put the link of this product in the description and you can pick it up as well. This is a good time to inspect inside and vacuum out any leaves or debris if there is anything in there. In my case, there's nothing in there, so I don't have to do anything. Put it back in and make sure the seal is properly sitting, not pinched anywhere. Go around and make sure it's sealed properly. Now let's mount those hinges right here, if you can see. Yep, that's it. So we're just going to insert the tabs into those little hinges and then mate it properly. It should fit very snug, and at that point you can put those clips. They should easily go if it's tight, which means you haven't properly seated the back. And that is it. That is how you would change an engine air filter on this Ford Fusion second generation 2012 all the way to 2020. And I hope it was useful. If you're interested, there's also a video I just posted on the cabin air filter change for this car, as well as there are other videos like brake change, oil change, and so much more coming up based on this car. So check that out as well. Please subscribe so you can see a whole bunch of videos on this car and the maintenance and everything. So I'll see you in the next video.